Brothers and sisters, no doubt that the ultimate goal of all of us, whether we're sitting here or every Muslim, is simply to receive salvation on the day of resurrection. And all the companions of the Prophet ﷺ went back and forth asking the Prophet ﷺ so many questions around the same topic: how to achieve salvation on the day of judgment, how to set your foot in heaven safely. One of the divine guidance and the prophetic prescription, you can say divine constitution to guarantee salvation on the day of judgment, is presented in this very concise yet eloquent advice of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It's a hadith, sound hadith, narrated by the great companion Abu Dharr al-Ghifari radiyallahu anhu. I know that you heard and you will hear too many speeches, too many advices today. So we just need to take home something very precise to keep in mind, to work hard on it in order to achieve the success, to be eligible for salvation, to secure a place in heaven. Not just in heaven, rather in Al-Firdaus al-A'la, insha'Allah.